Now, today we are going to be taking a quick look at this new Ford Bronco Raptor. This Bronco Raptor is one of the most off-road capable that you can buy here in the United States or anywhere in the world. And that is because this is equipped with this massive 17-inch wheel and these 37-inch tires. Because of these big tires and how wide this Ford Bronco Raptor is, this is equipped with this massive fender flares, which I think look amazing. And on the rear also you get this massive 17-inch wheel and these 37-inch tires. This Ford Bronco Raptor is powered by a twin turbocharged 3-liter V6 engine that is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. This engine produces 418 horsepower and 440 pound-feet of torque. Even though this is a high-performance off-road SUV, you can still tow up to 4,500 pounds, which I think is very impressive. One thing that I really like about this Ford Bronco Raptor is how simple the interior is. In front of the driver, you get this 12-inch central display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and this is equipped with Ford Sync 4 system. Another thing I must say is that I love physical buttons, and this is equipped with physical buttons, which I think is really impressive. This Ford Bronco Raptor is designed in a way that you can remove the roof, and this one has this permanent or the metal roof, which you can easily take off. Also, if you want, you can take off these doors for better off-roading, and if you want to enjoy your Ford Bronco Raptor during summer. This is equipped with Fox Live Vive dampers, and this also have the Haas 4-inch suspension, which are some of the best in the off-road world. So what do you think about this new Ford Bronco Raptor? Please leave your comment in the comment section. If you are new to my channel, subscribe, like, and share. And I also want to say a big thank you to Ford of Kirkland for giving me the opportunity to check out this amazing Ford Bronco Raptor.
When he had that and the GT here, no opening day, he got him out, get out of the way. Oh, just chef's kiss. It was beautiful. Oh. And I got
Today I am here at Redmond Town Center, and we are going to be taking a quick look at Ford this Mustang GTD. This Ford Mustang GTD is a limited production run for the high performance Ford Mustang, but this one thing that is amazing is that this is a full carbon fiber Ford Mustang GTD. So even if you find any other GTD, this is going to cost twice as much.